2022 Jeep Wrangler. With less than 1,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. It's full of phenomenal features that any driver would appreciate, such as Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, premium sound system, multi-zone air conditioning, four-wheel drive, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows, running boards and/or side steps, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, roll bars. Visit us to take home the car of your dreams.